Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade and you're watching She Slay TV. So for those of you who are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new review. This wig that I'm about to review was sent to me from SamsBeauty.com, and this is from the Sensational Cloud 9 What Lace collection, and this is KIYARI in the color 1. Now KIYARI is a 13x6 lace frontal unit that comes pre-plucked with a very huge parting space. It do have 2 combs in the front as well as 1 in the back and adjustable straps, and like I said, a 13x6 parting space. Now it's up to you if you want to use the baby hairs or not, but at least they are there just in case you do want to utilize them. Now I'm putting the wig on this mannequin head so that you guys can see exactly how well they did pluck the hairline on this unit. So you really don't have to. If you're not good with plucking at all, I feel like you really don't have to. This is the part where I was trying to figure out exactly how I wanted to part it. I didn't know if I wanted to do a middle part or a side part yet, but so far so good. So because of the layering that this unit do have, I ended up going with a side part. I did a deep side part and I think it turned out really well. I did go ahead with my red tail comb just to make the parting space as clear as possible. And then after that, I went ahead with my hot comb, electric hot comb. And as you can see on my other videos, whenever I wear frontals, I do have to go in with these electric hot combs and apply heat to my wig so that they lay in the direction that I'm trying to wear it in. This is totally optional. You don't have to do it. But for me, I feel like if you're trying to get that laid look, then you have to apply heat to your frontal unit if you want the wig to look absolutely laid. That would just be highly recommended, but once again, you don't have to do it. It's just optional. Another thing that is optional is lace tint. I use medium brown. I don't have a specific company that I use, but between lace tint and pressed powders, it have my parting looking like this. Okay y'all, so this is the final look and I absolutely love how this came out. This unit laid really flat, and all I did was use my Got2b glue on my edges. And this unit comes about an 18-inch. It stopped me right at my boob, so it's not long at all. I feel like this unit would do great in the heat. And it didn't tangle on me at all. I didn't get no type of shedding. And that's KIYARI, y'all. And like I said, I have her in the color 1. And I'm completely satisfied with how this came out. Thank you so much, SamsBeauty.com, for sending me this unit to review. And I will leave a link below straight to this unit if you guys are interested. And go ahead and like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. If you have her, let me know how much you love her or hate her. And once again, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Bye.
Every single day